Octopetela, an 8-petal flower. Hello friends, we'll see how to make an 8-petal flower through tatting. Basic requirements: cotton yarn, shuttle and a scissor. We'll start with making a ring. You can see the sample flower. It has 8 rings and 8 chains. First ring, we'll make 3 double stitch, 1 picot, 1 double stitch, 1 picot, 1 double stitch, 1 picot, 3 double stitch, now pull the thread to complete the ring. Now we'll make, you can see the ring is complete. Now we'll make chain beginning from closure of the ring. See how to wrap yarn on fingers as shown in video, and rest is same as we did earlier, double stitch and picots. Now we'll make first chain, three double stitch, one picot, one double stitch, one picot, one double stitch, one picot, three double stitch. You can see now the chain is complete, and at the end of chain we will wrap the thread from shuttle on fingers and will make second ring, that is 3 double stitch, and we'll join it to picot, one double stitch, one picot, one double stitch, one picot and 3 double stitch. Now pull the thread to complete the second ring. Continue doing the same till you reach ring 8. 8th ring will start with 3 double stitch, now join to the 7th ring's picot, 1 double stitch, 1 picot, 1 double stitch. Now join to the first string's picot. Three double stitch, now pull the thread to complete the 8th ring. Now we'll join the chain. Now we'll make a chain to complete the flower. Three double stitch, one picot, one double stitch, one picot, one double stitch, one picot, and 3 double stitch. Now we'll join the chain at the junction of first string and first chain. Tie a knot and cut the thread. In this way, we completed an 8-petal flower. Can be applied on any project. It's a beautiful flower, and see how it looks. Steps and abbreviation. For reference. Thank you for watching. Keep tatting.